We have no news today once again, Tuesday. I'm not looking for a trade. I'm only looking for a trade if we have high volatility. Or not high volatility, but heavy displacement towards one direction. And that's all I'm looking for. I just got back from the gym, so I'm a little out of breath. But yeah, pre-market we were not doing too much. Dumping, then coming back, and then pretty much in a range right now, I think. If we flip back lower, in which it looks like we are. But yeah, we'll see. Probably won't take it anything today. Unless we dump pretty hard. We don't have any current news. Trump didn't say anything, thankfully. It is 9:32. We did sweep the strong liquidity, which I could refer to almost instantly. I'd want us to see what we do here, this low, or CE this way. And I'll just mark out this low just in case, but I don't think we'll get here. And then I should mark out CE this week as well. Because it looks like we're rejecting off of it. I'd prefer us to come down lower, sweep, retrace, and then displace lower. Can't wait for Friday, SpaceX IPO dropping. Can we swap this one around on liquidity? I want to see if we want to continue lower or retrace off of this. Long-tailed wick. I hope we don't close like that. I predict Friday's going to be extremely bullish. Might be an easy trade day, just like last Friday when everything was dropping. But the opposite, of course. I have a fair value gap right here I could refer to if you want to go higher. Never mind. Crazy disrespect. I'm looking for retracement plus displacement if we were to take a long. we close bullish like this and then displace hard, I will definitely take this with high size. But it doesn't look like we are. No wonder I can't see it on my glasses, man. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna retrace, but if we don't, I'm gonna refer to this high, see what happens at that high, and that's it. That's like a for continuing bullish. Then I have nothing to refer to. No retracement. If we do retrace like this and then displace higher above this, it's a risky trade. Pretty risky, I would say. Man, yeah, I'm not taking that. Look at this. No news really like kills the market. Pretty crazy. Now, if we do go higher, I want to see us sweep these, draw some liquidity. I'm not worried about taking a trade here anymore. I'm doing what my gut says and I'm sighting down, just in case. Dang, we have another order block trade. I didn't even know this. Look at this. So we swept that draw on liquidity. Multiple order block trades. 50%. And then over here we have 50%. Crazy. Not my style trading anymore. crazy. I'm saying, guys, it's like respecting order blocks. This technically is order block, this huge move. Insane. Not taking it though. Not my style trading. And I've never backtested that, honestly. I used to do that, but when I first started, I just didn't backtest that into my strategy and I just never used it. I don't like it. So it's the 1 hour trial liquidity, which is actually a 15-minute trial liquidity because the 1 hour is still open. I usually don't take 15-minute draws on liquidity, but we have nothing to refer to. See? So if we have a retracement plus displacement higher, I'll take this. I want to take away too many, but I don't. Nothing here. Broke out of the range. This range is pretty long, it's not just there. The range was all the way here from here. And we broke out of it after a long time. I used to trade that too, breakout. And it's a very clear breakout. Insane. We don't want to retrace at all. I mean, it's good displacement. Mark out these 50-minute jaws on liquidity, but I usually don't use them. Good news or something? Nope. I mean, we have nothing stopping this if we continue higher. Just a crazy run already. But it wasn't too much, honestly. It's only like 60 points. But we have to close bearish. Dude, we have to close bearish. Dude, you're actually kidding me. Come on, we can't just keep going higher without any retracement. Okay, okay. Hopefully you retrace here. We'll just dump lower. That's fine too. Dude, we're not even gonna retrace going lower. What are we doing? Yeah, this is insane. I mean, we could be rejecting this. Now finally, and now we're gonna dump lower. Okay, I'm in a short right now.
Order filled.
Have my stops 30 points. I'm gonna take profit 30 points. Wide stop loss, not being eager. I waited for this basically. Not being greedy, 30 points. Not closing early out of fear. My reasoning for this trade is because we displaced so much higher and we're displacing so much lower with the good entry, in my opinion, that presented itself. And we have no reason for us to stop right now, dumping. That's my reasoning for the trade. But we did not sweep 1 hour draw liquidity. I will say that.
Order filled.
There we go. Tough day, and I saw an opportunity to take a higher slice, and I did, and I'm thankful for that. Definitely the most patient day I've had in a while. When it stops above like 30 here, I didn't want to be greedy. I only targeted 30 points. I could have targeted 50 points, but I'm not greedy. So it's good win. I saw the opportunity in the market and I executed without any fear. I had confidence in myself after seeing we display so much near candle closure. And I believe this could go lower, but I don't want to target more. I'm alright. We're respecting that 1 hour drawn liquidity on the higher time frame. I think we could go down all the way to fill the rest of this imbalance, but price can do whatever it wants. Yep, so I'll be back tomorrow, probably not taking a trade for CPI. Too volatile in my opinion. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, see you guys.